Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. So today we'll be looking at one of those questions a lot of people have been asking, like how to find your wallet address on Bybit trading app on Bybit exchange. So before I dive into this, if this is the first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's quickly dive into that. One thing you must understand is that you must firstly be conversant with this amazing app or with this Bybit exchange or with any other exchange. Just that we're using Bybit exchange for this very class. All right. So the first thing you just need to do, make sure you navigate yourself to the assets. If you navigate yourself to the assets, you're going to choose where exactly you want to get the wallet from. Is it under deposit or under withdrawal? Okay, but we're going to go into first look at the under deposit. So looking for your wallet address, you first need to come to this place and specify your intentions. Make your intentions known for this very exchange. Okay, you're going to click on the deposit. If you click on the deposit, you're going to make your choice, and the choice you must make is deposit crypto, which is the last one. So you will click on the deposit crypto. If you click on the deposit crypto, here are a lot of cryptos here that you can get the wallet address and make a deposit from any other exchange of your choice. Okay, so you can see it all. Looking at all this crypto, you're going to make your choice. If it is BRS, BRZOLD, BTC, BTG, BTT, Bubble, BUSD, C98, and Cake, Candy, Couple, Caps, Cats, and lots more. Alright, and many of it. So let's start from the most famous one, which is the USDT. We're going to start from USDT. So you're going to click on the USDT. If you click on the USDT, one of the most important thing again you must understand is that is the network. The network of the coin you want to deposit or you want to receive. The network is highly vital. If it's ERC20, you must indicate and get the wallet of ERC20. If it is TRC20, you must indicate and get a wallet for TRC20. If it is Arbitrum, same thing. If it is SOL, same thing. If it is BSC BEP20, same thing. All right. If it is Polygon, OP, Avax, Mantle, Cello, Tone, and the others, whatever it is, you must indicate. All right, because without you indicating, your coin or your crypto will be lost, and it will be lost forever. So let's assume we're going to use TRC20. So you click on TRC20. This is just the notifications. Then you just click on OK. If you click on TRC20, this is the TRC20. You've seen the network here, TRC20. But should you wish to change the network here as well, you're going to click on this arrow and make your choice of any network you want to switch to. All right, and this is the wallet. You just need to copy it, and that's all. Okay, and that is all you just need to do. You always need to pay attention and see whatever blah 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 is written there. Okay, or you can as well still click on this place, say that this or this place, to get your wallet address. Okay. Posting again. We've done one of Hamster before, and I think a lot of people are like conversant with that. So we're going to click on hamster. If it is a hamster, this is what we're going to do. It will bring you to something of this very nature. Then you must choose tone because hamster is on tone. Click on OK. This is just the notifications. Okay, hamster is on tone. You must choose tone. All right. So if you choose tone, one thing about a hamster is that aside from the wallet address, you just need to take the memo. All right, and the network is very important, and should you wish to change the network, just click on this arrow. But on a hamster case, you must not change the network because the network is on tone. Okay, so that is it. Another coin we must wish to check here is probably Solana. Because these ones are some of these famous coin that I know you must definitely be interacting with day by day. All right, you can click on Solana, which is the SOL. Solana is also what on SOL network. Okay, so same thing. You can see this one has a different from hamster because this this one does not have a memo. Okay, this one does not have a memo. You can see it's very important. And also what I said about the network, always look at this place should you wish to like change your network. Okay, so and also look at your details, whatever details I say, look at this notice and a lot more. All you need to do is to either use this place to copy or come to this place to click on copy in order for you to copy. All right, so let's go back. One of the one I want to see again is the what? The father of all coin, which is the what? The BTC. So clicking on the BTC is on BTC, right? There's a network. It's a, it's a very powerful coin that does not rely on any other one unless it's off. All right. So you can see, always have your look. Click on here to copy. This one does not have a memo. You don't need to copy memo for this. And or click on here to also copy. All right. So that is it. Then the next network I want us to check again is BNB. Let's look at the BNB. If you look at the BNB here, it's same thing. You click on it. The BNB is on BSC. Wow. The BNB is on BSC network, which is always reading BEP 20. All right. Click on here to copy, as I said, or here, and also click on here should you wish to like change your network. Okay. So I think from all these instances and examples, you have gotten clearly on how to get your wallet address on any exchange. But before I round up for today, let's look at the ETH, Ethereum, which is highly important as well. If you look at Ethereum, you must choose a network. Is it on BSC? Is it on ERC? You must understand that Ethereum does not have a TRC network. Okay, so each one you're taking, just make your choice. Click on this, it's just a notifications. So each one you're taking is just for you to like make your choice and choose your network. You can always change your network here. Copy your wallet address should you need any exchange. Should you need to change your wallet address, okay? So from this all classes, I do understand that you all know how to how to run this by yourself, okay? So this will like bring me to the end of this very amazing class. If you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.